Say goodbye to bad breath, plaque, tartar, and kill harmful bacteria in your mouth with only one ingredient. Oil pulling, or otherwise called gandusha or kavla, is an antiquated Ayurvedic dental strategy which includes gargling a tablespoon of oil in the mouth on a vacant stomach for 15-20 minutes. This is to a great degree powerful method for purifying the body from poisons and enhancing oral and general well-being. It is particularly valuable for detoxifying the teeth and gums and brightening of your teeth in the meantime. Individuals who have attempted this system assert that it helps in treating skin conditions, joint pain, cerebral pains, asthma, diseases, hormonal lopsidedness, and so on. Oil pulling is a treatment which includes washing oil in the oral depression for a few minutes, which drastically enhances the oral well-being. This technique expels poisons from the mouth and experiences the plaque. Regardless of the various advantages for the oral hole, various individuals guarantee that it helps them treat different other medical problems, including asthma, liver issues, hormonal awkward nature, skin issues, cerebral pains, joint inflammation, and the sky is the limit from there. For best impacts, you ought to utilize a decent quality oil, and this modest treatment will bring about no reactions, however various medical advantages. Because of its constructive outcomes, it has been utilized for many years as a part of India, and these days, specialists suggest it as a standout amongst the best medicines of various distinctive issues with well-being, particularly for oral well-being. With regards to oils, we suggest the utilization of coconut oil, which is one of the most advantageous fixings you can utilize, and will furthermore help the impacts. These are a few reasons more to attempt oil pulling with coconut oil to advance oral well-being. Annihilates microorganisms and battles gum diseases. Anticipates depressions. Gives astonishing impacts to the whole oral depression. Gets through the plaque. Brightens teeth.